Hi, my name is Brandy Hubel, and I am your Senior Director. And I'm just going to walk you through all the things you need to know if you decided to join our Literacy Leaders team for the discount. I'd like to start off by saying I highly encourage that you do a launch party, even if you don't call it a launch party. Contact your sponsor and have her help you throw a party. One, you'll make the commission off of it. Two, you can get double free if you're still in your incentive period. And if you do get bookings and you don't really want them, you really decide at that point you do not want to go that route, your sponsor can take those off of your hands. There's one main website that you need to be familiar with, and it's called our back office. Here's how you get there. You're going to go to backoffice.myubam.com. Then you're going to get to this screen. You're going to put your user ID, which was given to you in an email when you joined. Otherwise, you can ask your sponsor to look it up for you if you don't recall it. And you're going to put in your password. You're going to go ahead and click login. If you don't remember your password, you can do a password reset. Oftentimes, it does take a little bit of time to get that email to reset your password, though, just a heads up. Once you're in here, it's going to give you links to almost everything you need. The main one that you need to know about is under business sites. So when you click business sites on the far left, then you're going to click Order Pro. Here in Order Pro, you're going to select New Order. You'll put your first name, your last name, your address, phone number, email, and then you're going to ship to consultant, which is you. If for whatever reason you were going to do a party and you were closing a hostess out, her information would go there, and then you would click hostess so that the rewards go to her. But if you're trying to just go in and close out one of your own orders, or you're trying to claim the book credit that you got when you joined, this is how you'll do it. You'll click consultant, put your information in, and then you're going to go to the next step. The order name can be anything. It could just say my book credit or something like that. And then you're going to click next step. Right here where it says type of selection, you're going to have a few options. Mine shows a lot more. Just I've been doing this 5 years, and home office is giving me free books for all different types of things. You will have one that probably says something along the lines of home office book credit or something like that. Consultant kit credit, maybe. I'm not exactly sure what it says. It will also show full retail. It will show special delivery, direct delivery, free host rewards, half price rewards, customer specials, promotion items, supplies, book supplies only. It will also show party bonus books for you. Okay. You're going to click the one that is talking about your book credit you got when you joined. And it might look something, I don't know, let's see if I have a credit. Well, I have 4 cents left on this one. Right down here on the right, it says award amount. Depending on which kit you got, it might say $30 here, or it might say $15 if you got the mini kit. So all you have to do is make sure that your selection is for your book credit. Then you type in the books you want. Maybe you want I'm Afraid of the Dark. You should do title contains, because then you'll find it. And right here, you want this one, you're going to press add, and it goes below here, and it subtracts from your total. So that book was $16.99. I definitely went over if my credit is $15. So let's just say I'm checking out. You're going to go next step. Down here at the bottom, it tells you your total. This includes tax and shipping. You're going to go to next step. And then you will enter your credit card information and continue to press next step, review order, and then place order. So that's how you're going to claim your book credit. It's also really important that you are taking your orders from friends or placing your own personal orders for yourself on a link that is tied to Get Rewards. Let me show you how you do that. So your website is your consultant ID number with .myubam.com following it. However, you probably don't want to give just that out to anybody who wants to place an order. You probably don't want to order off just that yourself. You want these orders tied to a party or a link of some sort that will help accumulate free half price and 65% off books for you that you can claim later. So, what you need to do is you need to go to your website, click My Account, and then you're going to click Add Event. It's an e-show. You can make the date go out 6 months. That is the max. So I'm going to change mine to 6 months out. So you're going to put your first and last name, your city, your state, your email, and then you can put an event name. Your event name can be something like Brandy's Bookshelf VIP members. You could just say orders for Brandy, whatever you want it to be, but obviously use your name. And press save. Okay, so obviously I have several links because I'm an active consultant who continues to have parties, but this link at the bottom is the one that you need to share with those who just want to place orders from you and don't want to host. This link here that you created is also the one you want to put your own personal orders on. If you don't do that, you're not going to have a place that's accumulating orders and giving you free and discounted books at the end. So you can copy it or you can click it. And again, right here, it doesn't show that special link, but now it shows right here at the top that this is what I named my e-show, okay? And that's how you know it's going to the correct place. And so people can shop and then it's all going to accumulate. You can look to see, you go to My Account, Event List. So you can come back to this page and see who's placed an order. You just click this down arrow, who placed an order, how much. So that's where you're going to get all information on specific orders, how much is on an order, how much is on your link, when it expires, all of that information. Now, when that link reaches at least $100 in sales, you start earning rewards on that. And in your first 8 weeks, if you get to 250 in sales and one person decides to do a party with you, you get to begin doubling the free book category. The 50% off category stays the same, but then the free book category doubles. So for every $50 in sales, you get $20 in free books. Again, now, if you are ever wondering how much in free books you have earned on a link, this is what you do. You log back into your back office at backoffice.myubm.com, log in, and then you are going to go back down to Business Sites, click Order Pro again. You can do new order. We'll put my name in. We'll do one of my VIP group links. I'm going to send it to the consultant. I get all the rewards because it's my link that I've been accumulating rewards on. Next step, and I'm going to do Customer Appreciation Party. Yes, I got a booking, and I can put her name in and her party date. Next step, you're going to import the event. Okay, this one, it tells you at the top, this link had over $900 in sales on it, okay? So now when I click the type of selection and I click Free Host Rewards, it shows me that this link has earned $270 worth in free books. Right. Then when I click Half Price Rewards, this link, I can put in this category $225 worth in books in this category. And I just, again, search title contains, search keywords. Sometimes you might not be able to find something. Change the binding to show all. You click add and it shows down here that it's there. Because you are a consultant, as soon as that party link reaches $100 in sales, you also get this other category. It's called Party Bonus Books. In this category, you get $50 worth, it shows you right here, at 65% off. So this is your 65% off category. Again, select the books, they show up down here, and it subtracts how much is left in this remaining category. When you're done selecting all the books earned for this link, you click Next Step. It's going to show you how much you owe at the bottom. Click Next Step again. Enter your payment information, click Next Step, and continue following the rest of the links until you close out that link. So, people who join for the discount, you will initially pay the full price up front. It's a week later, you get paid on Wednesdays via direct deposit the 25% commission from the orders that were placed the week before. So, you're going to have to set up your direct deposit in order to get reimbursed that commission off the sales. And here is how you set up the direct deposit. It's under business sites, update direct deposit. You'll insert your information using the routing number and the account number for your bank, and be sure you check this box and click update. Failure to fill out the direct deposit information will lead to you not getting reimbursed in a timely manner for the orders that have been placed. Now, the next thing I want to show you is our Teams Academy website. If there's ever anything else you want to know, learn, you can go to this website and find almost everything you need to know. The web address is sites.google.com/view/literacy leaders academy. When you're on our website, our training website here, under home, you can click consultant manual. You can see the standard rewards chart. Now, these are the rewards you would get if you were not able to get a booking attached to your link. Under welcome here, you can see again how to do direct deposit, what you get during your incentive period, which is your first 8 weeks. Under this section, you will also see the rewards chart for your incentive period when you get a booking and you reach at least 250 in sales, and how the rewards climb drastically. As a new consultant, you get your website for free for your first 6 months. After that, if you decide you still want to continue doing the book lady thing or using your discount, your website's going to cost $8. You don't have to pay monthly. It's not reoccurring. You can just pay for the $8 at the one time. It's going to be active for that 1 month. And then when you're ready to pay $8 again, you can. You do have a lifetime discount, if you will. You just have to pay the $8 to place any orders. Otherwise, you won't have access to your website to do that. So if it's been past 6 months and you need to renew your website, here's how you do that. You're going to click your name or your icon picture right here at the top, and then click Settings. You will see e-business subscription right here. When you click that drop down, you can renew your subscription. It allows you to choose how many months you'd like to renew it for and purchase. That's basically the gist of everything you need to know if you've decided to join for your discount. Now, if at any point you decide, you know what, I have this opportunity, let's just see where it goes. Reach out to your sponsor. She's going to be there for you. Let her know you want to give it a try. You're not sure yet or whatnot, and see how it goes. Just throw a party with her, learn the ropes, and see where it takes you. I highly encourage you do it. I would definitely encourage you do it sooner than later, just because you're in your incentive period. Why not? But again, if it doesn't work out and you decide, yeah, it didn't work out, you were right, it's not what you thought, your sponsor would be more than happy to take those bookings if you had anybody that wanted to do a party off of your hands. All right, have a great day and welcome to our team. I hope you get out of it everything that you wanted. Bye.